Crypto fair. What if I told you you can mine crypto for free on your phone and it could lead to global decentralized finance boom? Stick around because today we are diving deep into Interlink network mining, revealing the latest update, how to maximize your reward, and why a $15,000 video competition could launch your crypto journey, your crypto channel to the next level. Okay, now let's get started. Welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel, your go-to spot for simple, actionable, and straight to the point crypto insights. In today's video, we are diving into Interlink Labs mining. What it really is, how the process works behind the scene, when it could hit the market, the price expectations you should keep an eye on, and even how you can earn extra rewards just by creating content. This is not some form of theory or speculations. This is a hands-on strategy happening right now that you don't want to miss. So if you're serious about staying one step ahead in the crypto game, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and let's jump in. The first thing is we will talk about the Interlink mining. Interlink mining has recently going viral, and for a good reason. It's completely free to start. All you need to do is tap on Mine ITL in the application once a day. So watch a quick ad and you will start mining ITLG tokens. At first, there was no ad at all, but now they have been integrated as a part of the revenue model, which makes the ecosystem more sustainable long term. In other words, your daily clicks are not only earning you tokens, but also fueling the growth of the project itself. Think of it as a human-powered Web3 ecosystem, where every participant contributes to the infrastructure while being rewarded. But here's what really sets it apart. Interlink is not just about free mining. It combines AI, proof of humanity, and decentralized identity verification. This ensures that every miner is a real person, not a bot or fake account. By doing this, Interlink is building something bigger than just tokens. It's laying the foundation for a trusted digital identity layer that could eventually power DeFi, on-chain credit, and other blockchain applications. So when you mine, you are not only earning, you are helping shape the backbone of a future-proof Web3 ecosystem. One of the biggest questions everyone asks, when will Interlink list in the exchanges? According to the official 5-year roadmap, the public launch, which includes the token generation event and potential exchange listing, is targeted for 2025. Since August has already passed with no announcement. So most eyes are now locked on Q4, October, November, and December. So as the window where we might see some movement, teasers, or major updates. And there's more. Interlink has announced plan to introduce a token burn mechanism, which a game changer for the long-term value. If you have followed projects like OKX, you will know how powerful this strategy can be by systematically reducing the token supply. Scarcity increases, which can help push value upward over time. Combine that with growing user adoption and the identity-driven ecosystem, and you start to see why so many early adopters believe Interlink could become a strong player in the Web3 space. Interlink is not just about tapping a button and mining. It's designed with a dual token economy that makes sense long term. You mine ITLG, which later converts to ITL tokens. What's impressive here is that half of the total ITL supply is reserved exclusively for ITLG holders, meaning early miners are directly rewarded for their commitment and passion. In other words, the people who believed in the project first get a bigger piece of the pie. But it does not stop there. Interlink is preparing to launch ITLx, its very own decentralized exchange. So think of like a crypto marketplace built directly into the ecosystem, which users can trade, stake, and interact with DeFi tools. Every trade generates fees, which means money flowing back into the project. Combine that with ad revenue from the mining app itself, and you have got a multi-pronged revenue model. Not just hype, but a system designed for sustainability. That's a rare in the mining app space, where most projects collapse once the hype fades. Now let's talk about momentum. Interlink Labs has already crossed over 1 million registered users and recently secured a strategic investment from Google. That's not a small change. Google does not just throw money around. It signals be confident in the vision and and scalability of the ecosystem. Even more exciting, the project is rolling out the version 3.2 of its application. This update goes beyond mining and introduces real-world utility. One of the standout features is Scan and Pay, a QR-based payment system that lets users pay at select merchants. Right now, it's being piloted in countries like Mexico and Brazil, where crypto adoption is growing fast, and while countries like India are not on the merchant list yet, the roadmap shows a clear focus on expansions. If Interlink manages to scale this globally, it could bridge the gap between mining on your phone and actually spending your token in the real life as Pi network. So here's a cool opportunity you don't want to miss. Interlink is currently running a video to earn contest open until September 5th with a massive 15,000 rewards pool. This is not just about luck, it's about creativity. Creators can submit quality videos about Interlink and win weekly and monthly prizes. For the weekly, there is $100 up for grabs for language-specific winners, which means your local language content has a real shot. On the monthly side, the rewards scale based on performance, views, engagement, and overall impact. The bigger the effort, the bigger the price. If you have ever thought about launching a crypto-focused channel or experimenting with content, this is literally perfect gateway. Not only can you earn, but you also get visibility in the fast-growing community. Submission is straightforward. You just fill out a form and drop your video link. With relatively fewer creators in the pool right now, your odds are better than ever. This could be your early mover advantage into both content creation and crypto rewards. How do you actually start mining? The process is simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. Download the official Interlink application from the Google Play Store and App Store. Step 2. Simply tap the Mine ITL button. And Step 3. Watch the ad, a short ad, not a long one. And then claim your ITLG token. That's literally it. You're mining without expensive hardware, without complex setup, and without high energy costs. It's accessible to anyone with a smartphone. But as always, security comes first. Make sure you only download from official application stores. Avoid random links or APKs floating around. For stranger control, you can link your Interlink account to a trusted crypto wallet like MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. Doing so gives you full custody of your tokens and sets you up for when Interlink integrates DeFi features into the application. So think of it this way. Today you are tapping to mine. Tomorrow you could be directly using those tokens in DeFi swaps, payments, or staking. Setting up that wallet connection early means you're already prepared for the next phase of the Interlink growth. Remember, Interlink Mining is your free pass into an expanding Web3 ecosystem with over 1 million users already on board, Google backing, a built-in DeFi platform on the way, and real-world payment utility in progress. This is not just hype, it's momentum you can ride right now. So here's your move, keep mining ITLG daily. It's literally free crypto at your fingertips. Enter the video to earn contest to get visibility across the globe while competing for your STT rewards. Start preparing for ITLx so you are not late when the listing happens. And if you haven't secured your wallet yet, do it today. Early adopters are the ones who always win big when utility drops. So now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. What country are you mining from? Are you entering the contest or are you staking quietly? Let's see who is taking action. So and don't forget, smash that like, subscribe and the bell icon because tomorrow's video is all about leveling up your Interlink strategy. As the TGE gets closer, you will not want to miss it. This is Crypto Boy, reminding you are not just mining tokens. You are securing a positions in the future of identity, payment and finance on Web3. What feels small today can snowball into massive opportunities tomorrow. So stay consistent, strategic, and most importantly, stay early because when ITL list and DeFi rolls out, you will be glad you put in the work now while most people were still sleeping on it. I will see you at the top of the leaderboard and in the next video where we keep unlocking new ways to win in this space. Until then, keep mining, keep creating, and keep building your future with Interlink.